welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Gemini AI math answers into a properly formatted Microsoft Word document while keeping all equations, mathematical expressions, and formatting intact using my free app called AI2Word by Zimist Coded. So right here on the screen, I already have a math solution generated from Gemini AI. And as you can see, this content contains several mathematical equations, fractions, expressions, and step-by-step solutions. Now, one major problem many students, teachers, researchers, and even content creators face is that Gemini AI does not really provide a perfect way to export math content directly into Microsoft Word while preserving proper equation formatting. Yes, Gemini gives you the option to export the content to Google Docs. But even with that option, the equations are usually not formatted properly as real mathematical equations inside the document. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I'll click on the three horizontal dots right here. Then I'll select Export to Docs. All right, the export is now complete. So I'll click on Open to view the generated document. And immediately, you can already notice the problem. The equations are not properly formatted as mathematical equations. Instead, you can see markdown symbols, formatting characters, and broken equation structures appearing inside the document. I'll scroll through the file slowly so you can clearly see the issue throughout the document. You can notice that instead of getting clean professional equations, the output contains formatting codes that make the document look messy and difficult to read. And honestly, this becomes a huge problem when you want to submit assignments, prepare lecture notes, create reports, research documents, or even print educational materials. So this is exactly the issue many people are facing when trying to move AI-generated math content into Microsoft Word. But now let's solve this problem properly. I'll go back to the original Gemini AI response. And this time, instead of exporting to Google Docs, I'll simply click on the copy icon to copy the entire math content directly. Next, I'll open AI2Word by Zimist Coded. Inside the app, I'll paste the copied content directly into the editor area. And just like that, the content is now loaded into the application. Now, before exporting to Word, there's an option here called Remove Horizontal Line. This option helps remove unnecessary horizontal lines that may sometimes appear in the final Word document output. For this first example, let's leave it unchecked first, so you can later see the difference clearly. Now I'll click on the Export button. The application now asks where I want to save the Word document. And of course, I can also change the file name if I want to. I'll leave everything as it is and click on Save. All right, the export is now complete, and the Microsoft Word document opens automatically. Now let's take a look at the final output. And wow, immediately you can see the difference. The mathematical equations are now properly formatted inside Microsoft Word. The fractions, expressions, symbols, and mathematical structures all look clean, professional, and fully readable. There are no markdown symbols scattered around the document anymore. Everything now appears exactly the way a proper math document should look. And this looks much better for assignments, reports, tutorials, lecture notes, and professional documents. However, you may still notice that there are some unnecessary horizontal lines appearing in certain parts of the document. So let's fix that as well. I'll close the Word document and return to the AI2Word app. This time, I'll check the Remove Horizontal Line option. Now I'll export the document again. The export process finishes, and the new Word document opens automatically once again. And this time, not only are the math equations perfectly formatted, but the unnecessary horizontal lines have also been removed. Now the final document looks much cleaner, smoother, and even more professional. So if you regularly work with AI-generated math content from Gemini AI, ChatGPT, or other AI tools, then AI2Word by Zimist Coded can help you convert everything into a clean Microsoft Word document while maintaining equations, expressions, and formatting properly. This can save you a lot of time and frustration when preparing educational or professional documents. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more useful tutorials like this on Zimist Coded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.